SP Tools Metric and SAE Toolkit in Sumo Series Roller Cab. Sumo Series is SP Tools' large-size workshop storage system. The extra wide series roller cabinets are 14 34mm wide and 5 60mm in depth. It features 12 drawers and a power cupboard for cordless tool storage and recharging. Drawer sizes vary from 310mm up to 1320mm wide. The roller cabinet features a stainless steel worktop. The drawers are equipped with full extension 28 ball bearing slides. The slides are rated to carry 40 kilograms per pair. On larger drawers with dual slides, this increases to 80 kilograms. The side of the box is equipped with easy grip handles, which are fitted to both ends to suit any workspace. The roller cabinet features 4 extra heavy duty casters, 2 fixed and 2 swivel. The swivel casters have 1 touch, break, hold and release. The roller cabinet features high quality dual layer UV resistant powder coat finish. The tools. SP Tools 85-piece metric and SAE socket and accessory set in EVA foam. The kit includes quarter drive metric and SAE sockets 4-14 and 13/16 to half inch, 3/8 drive metric SAE sockets 8-19mm and 5/16 to 3/4, half inch drive metric and SAE sockets 13-32mm and half inch to 1 1/4, 3/8 drive spark plug sockets 5/8 and 13/16, quarter 3/8 and half inch drive soft grip 45 tooth ratchets, quarter 3/8 and half inch drive soft grip breaker bars, and a range of quarter 3/8 and half inch drive extension bars, and a range of socket drive adapters. In addition to the EVA set, the socket range also includes 2 set 3/8 drive deep sockets on rails, 10-19mm and 5/16 to 3/4, 11-piece quarter and 3/8 drive Torx bit socket set T10 to T55, 9-piece quarter drive metric and SAE in-hex bit sockets 3 to 6mm and 1/8 to 1/4, 10-piece 3/8 drive metric and SAE in-hex bit socket 6 to 10mm and 13/16 to 3/8, 23-piece quarter drive metric and SAE low profile socket set 4 to 13mm and 5/32 to 9/16. SP Tools 40-piece metric and SAE spanner set in EVA foam. The kit includes 2 inserts holding quad drive combination spanners 6 to 32mm and quarter to 1 1/4. SP Tools combination spanners have 2 exclusive features that set them apart. The quad drive open end. This feature enables the open end of the wrench to grip on 4 sides of the fastener instead of the normal 2. The gripping point moves away from the corner of the fastener to the flat side due to the internal radius corners that are part of the internal design of the wrench. The dual flat drive ring end. This feature has 2 parts. First, the unique shape of the internal ring causes the fastening force to be applied to the flat side of the fasteners rather than the corners. The second is the flat top and bottom of the ring end. By not chamfering the internal ring of the wrench, we have extended the length of the contact to the fastener. This is extremely useful when dealing with damaged bolts or where bolts are recessed and access is limited. In addition to the EVA set, the spanner range also includes 2 sets of flare nut spanners, 4 metric from 10 to 22mm and 4 SAE 3/8 to 7/8. SP Tools 12-piece chrome alloy screwdriver set with induction hardened tips, 6 Phillip head screwdrivers from 38 to 150mm in length, 6 standard blade screwdrivers from 38 to 150mm in length. All screwdrivers features SP Tools ergonomic dual texture soft grips. SP Tools 6-piece precision screwdriver set, 3 Phillips head and 3 standard blade screwdrivers. SP Tools 13-piece impact screwdriver set includes Phillip, slotted and hex bits. SP Tools chrome alloy pliers and cutters with induction hardened cutting and grip points. 200mm diagonal cutters with dual texture grips, 200mm long nose pliers with dual texture grips, 200mm combination pliers with dual texture grips. A 250mm 3-rivet heavy duty locking plier that features chrome alloy steel jaws, 250mm heavy duty multi-grip plier made from chrome alloy steel, 150 and 250mm adjustable wrench made from chrome alloy steel, 4-piece circlip plier set made from chrome alloy steel, 175mm straight end bent internal circlip pliers, 175mm straight end bent external circlip pliers. SP Tools S2 chrome alloy steel 9-piece hex and Torx key sets, 2 sets of 9-piece metric hex keys 1.5 to 10mm in long and stubby series, 2 sets of 9-piece SAE hex keys 1/16 to 3/8 in long series and stubby series, 2 sets of 9-piece Torx keys T10 to T50 in long series and stubby series, 10-piece chrome molly punch and chisel set with 3 chisels and 7 punches, sizes 2 to 10mm, 16-ounce and 24-ounce ball peen hammer with genuine hickory handle from a certified FSC timber source, 40mm dual soft hard tip hammer with additional shot-filled head for dead blow function, 102-piece bit set with a quarter drive low profile mini ratchet, metric hex 1.5 to 9mm, SAE hex 1/16 to 1/4, Torx T7 to T45, Torx Tamper T7 to T40, Torx Plus T10 to T50, spline M5 to M8, Phillips long and short PH 1, 2 and 3, posi drive 1, 2 and 3, slotted 3 to 6.5mm, square drive 0 to 3mm, spanner bit 6, 8 and 10mm. The kit also includes a circuit tester with LED polarity display, 10 amp DC digital multimeter, 8 meter retractable tape measure, SP Tools all-purpose utility knife, 4-piece mini hook and pick set, 4-piece tweezer set, 3-piece wire brush set with stainless, mild steel and brass bristles, 4-piece heavy-duty pry bar set, 5-piece screw extractor set, 5-piece file set, 50mm extendable mirror and a 1kg extendable magnetic pickup tool, and a 300mm professional quality hacksaw.